When it comes to sourcing suppliers for your e-commerce business, one big question is, which platform gives you more supplier options, SalesHoo or SaleHoo Directories? In this video, we'll take a look at both of these tools and see which one comes out on top. Stick around until the end because I'll share a surprising alternative that might just be the solution you're looking for. Let's start with SalesHoo. This platform has been around for a while and is known for its extensive supplier directory. You'll find suppliers from all over the world, covering a wide range of industries, from electronics to clothing. But here's the catch. While they do have a vast network, their suppliers aren't always the best option in terms of pricing and reliability. Some of their suppliers have been criticized for slow response times and lack of consistency, which can be a major issue for a growing business. Next, we have SaleHoo Directories. While it sounds similar to SalesHoo, it's a little different in terms of the way they operate. SaleHoo Directories offer a curated list of suppliers with more detailed information on each one, including customer reviews and ratings. This can save you time, as you can directly find suppliers with better reputations. However, while their list is reliable, it's not as extensive as SalesHoo's. You'll find fewer options, which might be a limitation if you're looking to scale your product range quickly. The third thing to consider is the ease of use. SalesHoo's platform is fairly user-friendly with a clean interface, but it can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when searching through their large database. SaleHoo Directories, on the other hand, is more streamlined. You can quickly filter suppliers based on different criteria like location, price range, or type of product. This simplicity can be a huge time saver for entrepreneurs who just want to find the right suppliers without digging through hundreds of irrelevant results. Now let's talk about pricing. SalesHoo operates on a membership basis, which means you'll need to pay an annual fee. While it's not extremely expensive, it can be a turnoff if you're just starting out or are looking for a cheaper solution. SaleHoo Directories offers a similar setup with a subscription model, but it's often slightly more affordable in terms of the entry-level membership. However, when comparing their value in relation to the number of suppliers you actually get access to, SalesHoo does come out ahead, despite the higher price tag. The fourth thing to consider is customer support. Both platforms offer support, but SalesHoo has a reputation for offering more extensive help through their team, including live chat, email, and even phone support. On the flip side, SaleHoo Directories has solid email support, but doesn't always have the same response time or availability for urgent matters. So, which one gives you more supplier options? In terms of raw numbers, SalesHoo definitely has a larger directory, but SaleHoo Directories offers more detailed, quality-controlled listings that might save you time in the long run. Both are decent platforms, but neither is perfect. In my experience, SalesHoo has more suppliers, but you might have to sift through some low-quality options to find the gems. SaleHoo Directories is more precise, but offers fewer choices, which could be a deal breaker for some. And here's where I think you might find a better alternative. After testing both platforms, I found another tool that gives you a mix of both, a larger selection of quality suppliers with more useful details about each one. It's also easier to use, and they offer a free trial. If you're serious about growing your business, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits, only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on this chance to find a better solution for your sourcing needs. If you've tried both SalesHoo and SaleHoo Directories, let me know your experience in the comments. Otherwise, I highly recommend taking a look at the alternative I've mentioned. It can make all the difference in your business.